Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Sorry, taxbuddy.com. So I have two sponsors. I'm getting confused always. So sponsored by taxbuddy.com and a leading tax filing portal in India. US markets, Dow was slightly higher, S&P 500 was almost flat, and Nasdaq was down. And in fact, last 30 minutes, there was a good selling. I think Nasdaq has fallen about 40-50 points and S&P 500 fell about 20-25 points. Overall, for the last 2 days, it has been on a sideways mode. We can say it's a calm before storm. There are so many bad news coming. The IMF is cutting the world economic growth and this and that, but still markets are waiting for consumer price inflation data. So they will react after the consumer price inflation data. So Asia is mixed, but mostly higher, and SGX Nifty is also flat, but flat with the positive bias. And Nifty was up for 7 straight days. When we go up also, we go for 7-8 trading session straight up, and when we go down also, we go down for 7-8 trading sessions down. So the momentum players, so they make good money. Yesterday, the main reason was the Kotak Bank news, but we don't know whether it's a pump and dump story or it is really the rally is going to sustain. So there is no need to say that Kotak Bank will be in focus for next few days. But in 2018, the news came that Warren Buffett will be buying, but he did not buy. So immediately Kotak Bank shares fell even the very next day. But this time, so whether there is going to be increase in the MSCI index or not, so we will have to wait, because at least there is 1 more month away for this MSCI rejig. So in all probability, so it may not react like in 2018, but at the same time, there may not be continued rally in that particular stock. So markets, are likely to consolidate ahead of the bigger events. So there are many events. TCS results today evening. It will be out by about 5:30 p.m. IT stocks came under good selling pressure. And of course, everybody is expecting not so good results from IT stocks. But how much of this has been factored in the prices? So that is the question now. So in case even, if the results is slightly better than expected, so there may be some short covering. So as I said yesterday, markets are trading near 52-week high, and IT stocks are trading at near 52-week low. So market has gone up for 7 straight days, and near the resistance zone of 17,800. So definitely, taking long position at this point of time, the risk reward is not favorable. But however, there will always be some intraday falls of about 80 to 100 points. So that's what it has been happening for the last few days. No matter where market opens, no matter where market goes higher, so there is always an intraday fall of about 80 to 100 points. So that is the time you can sell put options, but the number of trading sessions are too low, and coming Friday is also a holiday. So today is Wednesday. So if today's session is over, then so we have only 10 more trading sessions for this series. So because of that, option premiums are too low. I think the 17,000 put option, I sold a lot of put options around 17,000. And now I think it has come to 15 rupees around yesterday. So probably one can consider selling put option in May series in case there is an intraday fall of about 80 to 100 points. So I am planning to sell 17,000 put option in May series, and I will also be buying 16,500 put option for the hedge. That is actually not a real hedge. Still there is a 500 point possibility. Always some hedge is better than no hedge. So, but looking at the open interest and other things, so the bulls are seems to be fully charged. Even they are selling 17,700 put option for weekly expiry. I'm little bit worried about this trend, that too ahead of such a bigger events. So if you are looking at reason to be jittery, number one, uncertainty about TCS and Infosys results, and number two, US inflation data and Fed minutes. Number three, markets are, can say, overbought in the extremely short term, and then traders will not like to carry positions over the long weekend. So because coming Friday is also a holiday, so therefore today and tomorrow, so there'll be a lot of profit booking, all kinds of things can happen. So the markets are likely to be very, very volatile. So the bank nifty will be definitely in focus. So yesterday it was up because of not only Kotak Bank, even the PSU banks. And now everybody is, on the fundraising spree. Today there's a news that HDFC Bank will be raising about 50,000 crores. Earlier, HDFC was in the news. After that, SBI was in the news. So everybody is raising about 50,000 crore from the bond market. So as I told you already, I really don't know whether it is really good for the stock or not. It's subject to interpretation, but markets are interpreting it as a positive news. I think the State Bank of India was higher after the fundraising news. So overall, market is bullish, but at the same time, since we were already up for 7-8 trading sessions, it is definitely time to be a little bit cautious on the long side. So anyway, it's better to keep positions very, very light ahead of a lot of events tonight. So TCS, inflation data, Fed minutes. So the three key events after market close today. Of course, Indian consumer price inflation data also. But I'm excluding that because, consumer price inflation data in India is expected to be lower than 6%. So that is definitely going to be a positive news. But when it comes to uncertainty, US inflation, Fed minutes and TCS results after today's market close, before our market opens tomorrow. So there may be a decent gap up or decent gap down tomorrow, depending upon those events. So I will like to close many of my positions today. I will definitely go very, very light, and then if required, I may recreate the same positions tomorrow. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.